What a guan, what a guan, what a guan.
Big up, kings and queens.
Wagwan, people, wagwan, and I sat there. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday.
I just say she's been waiting for us.
You've been waiting? Yes?
How long have you been waiting?
Away
You wouldn't know how long I've been waiting for you guys.
Away you are, sir. Yeah, wait for we. You miss we. Yeah? But then I cook some stew chicken. Stew chicken with dumpling and sweet potato. Sweet potato, me there peel. Yes, I'm just say, let me come look for you, know. Let me come visit and see Wagwan. Wagwan and I sat there. Who cook soup. And a soup there for me today. Although it's cold outside and it's windy. I mean, I know if my internet are going to stay up because the light keep flickering. And sometimes when we have them bad kind of weather, yeah, the internet tend to go out. So, I'm glad it'll work. So, what I say? Want to chat to me now? I don't know, say that I come on.
Kali, if I said your name correctly, welcome.
Oh, welcome if you're new.
I finally caught alive.
Ah!
If I said your name correctly, if I did it, please, I hold it against you.
Yeah, you finally catch alive. All right, that's good. Yes, welcome to your first live with me. Yes. Me chocolate, if you can't tell.
Now vanilla, if you can't tell.
She vanilla. Yes, and we are the two crazy BFF over here, sir. And we chat about anything. Anytime.
Anything.
Nothing off limits.
No.
You understand? But for the most part, we try to keep it clean and we always try to keep it respectful.
Absolutely.
You know, and positive energy. But sometimes, you know a devil turn. The devil sneak up on you one day when a positive energy low. Because every day, a positive energy high enough people. You understand? We try. We are common flesh and bone.
Yeah.
And we make mistake. You understand? Nobody not perfect. Me not care what they want to turn on the camera and go like, life perfect and people perfect. Damn lie. We're not perfect.
Then say them can come visit we if we want. Yeah man, come.
Yes.
Come
visit anytime you're ready. Just make me know. Me just wash my potato them. Just make me know so I can get everything where you like. Because some like treat people when they come visit me.
Yeah, I saw she stay. We said it the other night, but true. I saw she stay.
I saw me steer.
Yeah, I saw she stay.
And you
She
can't
gonna ask you what you want to eat. She gonna make sure she go get it. For when you come, you have your whatever you want. Yeah.
I like to treat people how I would like to be treated. Me not do it, forget it back in return.
No.
But me just do it because some either like to be treated.
Yep.
You not always reciprocate that way, you understand? Some people just want you treat them nice and they not care how they treat you. You understand? But me not gonna top treat people nice because that's just who me is. I mean not do it for nothing in return. Me just do it because the heart that God put in me. Yes?
Then say them a come for dinner though.
You ever come for dinner?
Yeah.
Come for dinner.
Come for dinner.
Come for dinner. Me always cook way more than me need. And me not know if you do it in a moderation. You understand? Me
Francis, welcome.
Yeah, me always a cook more. See, me life my part over there to smoke because it too high. And me there chat. I don't know, say when for my mouth get running, it get running. Yeah? No worry, me turn it on. Turn on the fan.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for.
Alright. I hope you're not too loud in the camera.
I don't think so.
Yeah. But, yes, me there, I'm going to cut up my seasoning then. My dumpling and my potato there, while I have one plantain, but I'm not put in the plantain till at the end. Because I don't like it when it's soft out. You understand? Yes? I mean, everybody cook differently. So, I don't want nobody come over here come judge me.
No,
yeah.
no judgment.
Because Master Baker in me today. I don't get to bring out Master Baker today. But be sure Master Baker going to show up next Saturday. Like it or not, Master Baker showing up next Saturday. Yes. And she no cater for no greater. Yes. Master Baker will be showing up in live and living colors next weekend. You hear?
Yeah.
And because me did have so much things to do today, I'm out there on the road. Me not get fit. Come do my Master Baker. Me have all intention for do my Master Baker. My grandbaby, I come over. She spend the night with me. Yes. So me want. That's why me not bother go out for eat. Cause usually we go out, go eat. Me not bother go out today. Me say me I go cook. Yes. So I have some leftover stew chicken in the morning. And you know when you boil a dumpling tonight, right? And then tomorrow morning, you fry it
yes,
with some stew chicken gravy. You understand? Me no business if you don't want to call me craven. Yeah.
In nice.
In nice. In nice. Yeah. Me no business who want to call me craven. Call me craven my name. Yes. When time me dead, I don't come for my funeral. Me, I go lay down in my casket and smile. Because I name everything I want. Me not deprive myself of nothing. Me, I go be one grinning dead somebody. Then have to ask me for some cheese.
Them say want for book a table and you for just FedEx for them.
Yeah.
For them food to them.
Or then have to ask this or dead somebody for some cheese. She I got cheese. Cheese, yes. Because she near me a fried dumpling, an overnight fried dumpling, and a stew chicken, and anything she wants. Yes. Yes.
Fish, whatever.
Whatever. Yes. Yes.
Shrimp.
See where I go.
Yeah.
But people, me did I watch Auntie on YouTube last night. Yes. You know what I'm saying? Girl that, yeah? Me over there watch Auntie. I remember one night when we get up and talk about ugly pum pum. You know somebody just a joke, the thing, right? And just a tease or no, right? But somebody really have one ugly pum pum. What favor, she said he favor frog back and alligator back. Yes, and she wants surgery upon it. Me couldn't believe me ears. Me said, but I did joke me and make, you know, and I make on a laugh and say, but it really goes so. It really goes so. Yes.
Did he really want to get surgery upon them pum pum?
Yes, they want to find out how to fix it. She said that she afraid to show it to go with nobody. Yeah, to go with a man because it's so ugly. She said, and not just she, her sister them. It coming like a whole of them born and inherit ugly pum pum.
What?
Yes.
It run in the family?
It run in our family.
Oh, pum pum ugly.
Yeah, but not as ugly as she described here because God knows if me I don't know alligator back or no frog back.
No.
You understand? For me I no frog back or alligator back. But me didn't know say me never did know say you really have them one day will look like alligator back or frog back. Me say I nearly drop off of the bed when me hear Auntie mention it last night. How much I know say me not lie? How much I did watch Auntie last night on YouTube? Yes! She wants to do surgery upon it because it look like alligator back.
Damn!
Me no, for me that's so far out.
Mine is so ugly. Mine is ugly, but it is so ugly.
It not so ugly.
It is so ugly. I not get no surgery upon my one.
No, for me want no call for no surgery.
No.
But alligator back.
Alligator back.
And frog back because you know frog back ugly.
Alligator back ugly too.
But me that think and I wonder if she salty. If she put salt on it. Like how it look like frog back. I wonder if it did not take care of it.
No,
you know what I mean? Because you pour, what else happen when you pour salt on frog? What happens?
Then they say the frog dead and melt.
It melts. So that probably can't melt it down. Salt probably can't melt it down. If it look like alligator back, frog back. Yeah man, salt must shower.
She needs some help, man.
No, Mr. People, I couldn't believe it. I could not believe it. But uglier than Fuey. Remember all that one in there? What that?
The knife.
Oh, I think I blow up the kitchen. No. We did just a talk about regular looking sinting one night when we did.
Regular pum pum.
Regular. And some will have he ship will mash up a boat, will turn over. Them one there. But me never did attack. Me never did know say you have somewhere exist and look like Frog Back.
Me never hear about that neither.
Me nearly drop off my bed.
Oh my God.
You have to go watch the live.
Yeah, I have to watch the
and
live,
last
yeah.
night to come on YouTube.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I have to watch it.
No, that's scary, man. It's scary. No, me not laugh. Me did just a joke with Uno. So see, Uno have no reason to feel bad. None whatsoever. Cause uglier than Fiona out there. Uglier than Fimi out there.
Uglier than Fiona.
You understand? So make we start call ourselves Pretty Pony. Pretty Pum. Pretty Pum. We're gonna change it to Pretty Pum. Cause he no favor Frog Back. So that means that he no really ugly. Yes. Me have to start see it in a different way.
Why?
Yeah, me have to start see it in a different way. Trust me.
I learned something new today. Me never know somebody pum pum could have so ugly.
Yeah,
I know
after
say
that.
ugly, but me never know say them have it to that extent.
Me nay know either. Me nay know because when we did a talk about it, obviously we did a joke.
Yeah.
You understand?
We were joking.
And I talk about regular sin thing, but me never see none will look like Frog. And when she want to send a picture, no, me no want to see it because me no want to have no nightmare.
No, me no want to see no picture.
Me easy if have nightmare.
Me no want to
Yeah,
see
me
no
no want
picture of that.
me no want to see no picture.
No.
Me no want to see no picture of it. You understand? When I like comment,
Don't say hers can win competition.
and what you say? And then one day you have to watch out for and one day we're confident, you know. And then one day you have to watch out for and them one day scary one, you know. One day we love get up talk about pretty. Yes. But people, I was so surprised. Me shocked, all know me not shocked. Me nervous appeal.
Let's say she started using it too early or pum pum curse.
Some me here say if you use it too early, it will batter up. You know what I mean? Yeah, it will batter up. Yeah, it will bruise up. Too much banging panny. Yeah. And it will wreck the boat. You understand?
Them say the frogs well.
Yeah, frog. Because I remember the closest one me see to a frog. And one time the police officer did eat the you know what I mean? I eat a mackerel. Yeah. The one that is kind of froggy to me. Yeah, the one that is kind of froggy. Yeah. Me not lie. You remember a video? The one that is kind of froggy. It wasn't all the way frog. You know what I mean? The one that was kind of in a toad. In a fully blown frog. But it did dip on a way for becoming a frog. Yeah, you remember that video?
It was on the brink.
Yeah, that's the first one we can say really come close to being froggy.
They
But
say they want to see it.
they want to say what?
The
ugly one will look like frog?
Pum pum.
The full blown frog?
The full blown frog pum pum.
Yeah.
They want to see it.
That was the closest one. What makes me say look kind of froggy. Yeah, it was froggy. You know what I mean? But me never
They say him get a name out the heck out of the frog.
ask me say a name that the frog there, you know. When me talk about say him name a frog, you know. Oh no go on like say Jamaican the name frog. Oh no go on like say American alone eat frog.
Name the frog till him
Yeah.
make him finger.
Because
looking good.
let me tell you that the Jamaican the name a frog better than anybody me see name frog. Yes. When me tell you say him tear up the frog. Him tear up the frog. Remember me tell you, all the frog, yo, me see all the frogs spit out. Same thing. When the frog just shoot out sitting. Yes. Yeah, and no go on like say. And only in America they eat frog.
No, sir.
A long time, uno eat frog. Uno just get brave now. And I call it mackerel. Mackerel. You know how much me love mackerel? Why not have to name the thing mackerel? Every time now me I eat mackerel. That's all pop up in my head.
Well, I'm glad say me not worry about that because me not like mackerel. So.
Yeah, every time me I eat, I don't really know how much me love dirty girl. Every time me I eat my mackerel, me can't help it but fi think. Say a son or call it. When he move from chocha, when he move from pony, when he move from fishy, when he graduate from all them name there. Why mackerel? Out of everything. Why mackerel? Why they never call it sardine? Come in like sardine. Why they never call it sardine? Why a mackerel? Eh? Why a mackerel? Why mackerel? Me not understand, no. Wanna just change up a thing from people without warning.
Them say a mackerel with enough pepper.
A mackerel with enough pepper is spicy.
I guess.
I will
That's
not
why
say.
I did a one, so
No, sir.
it's sweetened.
No, a long time. Wanna down there eat mackerel. Long time. Me ne fool. All when me pick them, me know. Wanna eat mackerel. Yeah, not pick me. But you know when me a teenage, me know wanna eat mackerel. Yeah, I never want to admit it. Never want to admit it. And enough of uno. Love. Me not ask no question. Enough of uno. Love. Forget on a mackerel eat. Yeah? Enough of uno. Love. Forget on a sausage eat. Me I tell you as it is. Me I tell you as it is. Yes? Because
Them say you need to blame Auntie because she changed the name.
Auntie changed the name to mackerel?
Yeah. Mackerel and sausage. Remember she?
Yeah. All who never did want them mackerel for eat. Want them mackerel for eat now. Because once you get your mackerel eat. Once you get your mackerel eat. Ain't no turning back. You know what I mean?
Them say some of them love to eat rankin meat.
Well, me not our ranking meat. You understand? Once you get your mackerel, it's a wrap. So,
Them say
if you don't want to get addicted to your mackerel getting eat, don't give up your mackerel for eat. Because once your mackerel eat, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. And no one lie me I tell. It's a wrap. Yeah. Because all who never know say heaven depend earth. No say heaven depend earth too. True. Yes. When you get your mackerel eat, you realize say heaven down your too. Yes. Yes. Wanna realize, yes.
Them say a Roman raisin. Remember say a Roman raisin the man didn't know.
Yeah, but then change it from Roman raisin to mackerel.
Yeah.
I pay mackerel me and see now everywhere me go. And mackerel and sausage.
Mackerel and
yeah.
sausage, yeah.
Mackerel and sausage. And at first, me really did believe that when I talk about mackerel for true and sausage for true. Till it, you know, me kind of slow sometimes. Till it hit me and me say, oh, I know that them I talk about. Because them I talk about cooking up and cooking this up. And me believe say a mackerel where you go in the kitchen and actually cook. Come to find out, I know mackerel. I know that the kind of mackerel there. Because nobody never send me no warning. Nobody never teach me nothing. When they just left me in the dark, I'm just used to the old time things, them what them call it. Nobody never tell me say them change the name to mackerel. Yeah.
Them say them depend cloud nine when them get the mackerel now.
When they get them mackerel now.
Yeah.
Of course. And you get addicted to it to the point of if you not get your mackerel eaten, it's like nothing not go on. You know what I mean? Nothing not go on. It's like nothing not go on. And I have some other selfish queen out there too, you know. After I get a mackerel eat. And you pop with your mackerel eat. It's a wrap. You don't want to wrap things up. Yeah. I saw on the steer. But they have to tell them the truth. After I get on the mackerel eat, it's a wrap. Yeah. It's a wrap. Yeah. I don't know say true me talk. After mackerel done get eat, it's like it's a wrap. It done. Yeah. It done. So now we find our excuse. Me not feel good enough. Why you didn't feel good doing the mackerel eating? Why after the mackerel eating done, all of a sudden you not feel too good? Or not selfish? Yes.
Them say when them eat slowly.
Yeah. They like if you eat all the love when the mackerel eat slow. Oh.
But not everybody can eat mackerel. Some people take time and chew slowly.
Oh,
and some bite up the mackerel in that knife.
So okay. So some of them not like when they nibble on the mackerel. And I like when they just get dung in the mackerel. And I like the nibble.
They say they don't like it when they bite hard.
Me hear say some not eating mackerel, right? Yeah, some of them go like they want bite up a mackerel. You understand? So, who not like it nibbling? No one here. Who like them figure dung in the mackerel? Eh? You know like it play around like they're afraid to eat the mackerel. Yeah. I don't want them afraid to eat the mackerel. I want them get dung in the mackerel. Yes. But what if they want you get dung to eat them sausage? All of a sudden, nothing can fit in on the mouth no more.
They said that's why they made them crazy over
All of a sudden,
so. Mackerel knives them.
it a got choke me. All of a sudden.
Chocolate.
All of a sudden your mouth can't up in wide. Can't up in wide for trace. Can't up in wide for push a big old dumpling down in there. But all of a sudden that's how you want to stay. And a box around.
No, sir.
Sightings.
Really, chocolate?
Yeah, but you want him to get in your mackerel. Which part? Your ears are that fear. All of a sudden your mouth can't up.
Sausage spoiled. Can't open.
I did like, why you gonna name a sausage? Anyway, about fear animal.
Somebody please come get chocolate.
You know, hold your damn head and just talk it. That's it, man. So on the behave. So on the behave.
No, sir.
So on the behave. Anything for your very sausage. But when it comes to your mackerel, you must just dive in there. Get to where you want you get to. But with the sausage, a peer beat around the corner. Everything for your very. It's not going nowhere now. Because while you eat the sausage, so stay there and play with it.
They say baby she have toothache. That's why she can't come up with it.
Mouth can't open. Sound of behave. Yes.
Jaw, maybe she have jaw pain.
Beat it around all over your face. And which part if you go, you avoid it. Boom, 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 boom. All of a sudden you want to choke. Not that even go there yet, but on the two bad
Choke you
queen.
already.
Me a talk about on the
That's why
to
they
the
made a
queen.
and choke you.
Me a tell on a secret to the queens. Me know no behave. Know no behave.
A side alone choke them.
Yeah. All of a sudden. Yeah. Mouth can't up in wide. It's stuck. Someone on the way.
No, sir.
Lucky lip, you know.
Tight.
After you get your mackerel eaten. A sound of behave. Yes. Same, sir. Yeah. Yeah. You want to come out of it and all you think about how me gonna get out of this. Yeah. Can don't give me mackerel a proper eating. I know a finiter, Lord Jesus.
But say no, man, you need to skin out the mackerel and make him yummy.
No, you know what I'm saying? Oh, no. Yes. Proper. Yeah, you get your proper eating, you know. Everything good. I feel turn now. Uh-huh. Feel turn.
Jaw hurt.
Mm-hmm.
Tooth
Feel turn.
headache.
See you with it? Boo, boo, boo. Boo, boo, boo. Do, 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 do. Tup, tup, tup. Anything for avoid yourself. Anything. Not too bad. Yeah. Me wash off my plant here. Make a wash off my plant and put it in the pot, yeah.
Them say they crave and they will just bite it.
Yeah. Then we do it on purpose and I'm going with teeth, you know. I'm holding there. My mouth, my jaw. Oh, my jaw. Come on, baby, try again.
Your teeth you get.
Come on, baby, try again. You can do it, man. Hold your breath.
And now go
Yeah, and I play. And I play. Yeah, sound of behave. I don't know something I lie. Yeah. Chocolate not lying. Yeah. Sound of behave because mackerel done eat up. Yeah. Mackerel done. No one, no sa, no one. Yeah, no one. The few no fear part now, you know, man.
That's why they say the mackerel have to eat first before the sausage.
That in a more space of that happen, you know.
Yeah.
Mackerel. They want mackerel eat first, you know. Yes. Because they want chicken out, pan the sausage. Yes. You know, and even if it get baked, so what? Mackerel don't eat, right? Mackerel don't eat. So they carry on with a little fanda, with a little fanatics when a food turn.
Yeah.
Yes. And a food turn, you know, man. Carry on with a little fanatics and go on.
And the business.
I want to know, say true, me a talk. Me a keep it 100. Yeah, all of us. You know what I mean? Mouth big enough for taking one dumpling, half a dumpling. Mouth big enough and loud enough for trace. But when it comes to his sausage, all of a sudden, mouth can't up in.
Mouth lock up.
Mouth lock up. Only yes, mouth can't go. Can't go. No. No wider.
You're lucky you can go that way.
Yeah. That's our life. Yeah. No way. Yes. So, that's it. Yeah. That's on the beef. Eh? Me not make fried chicken. No, it's two chicken me make. Me not make fried chicken. My granddaughter, she not. Oh, she asleep. Okay. Alright. I like your ear nice. But although you're bigger in your 20s, when I talk about, I feel like I can't talk about in front of you. Ain't that something?
That's talking about sex.
Oh, you know sex. And not just sex.
That's what parents
Yeah, that's one. Indeed. One. Love you. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Mwah, mwah, mwah. Yes. Galam. Yeah, me know you have all baby and something. You're probably better than, you're probably not locked for your mouth either. May I keep you 100? Yeah. But.
Then say, Bringle me for come get you.
Bring it there at Jamaica. Yeah, that's what I don't know, see a true me attack. I don't know, that's the thing. When me tap on the truth, you know, I don't want bring it come get me. I don't want this and that to happen. I don't want Mike to come get me, tough crackers to come get me. Because I don't know a true me attack. Yeah. All of a sudden somebody must come take me, carry me away. Because I don't know a true me attack. Yeah. After mackerel eat, I can't bother. Sometimes. Yeah, me not say all the time.
Enough time.
But I don't know in moments them what me a talk about. I don't know in moments them me a talk about. Yeah. One every time. Yeah. And every time. And if the worst thing is, let me tell you about myself. Me not done enough. It worse if I want new man. It worse if I want new man and I first time uno I go get down. And him go eat the mackerel and want uno to eat the sausage. Lord, at that time sausage a bounce around and now make it in a mouth. Yeah, at that time it now make it. Yes, I steer. No, because
anywhere near.
yeah, because him knew. Yeah. Because him knew. On a no and a lie, me I tell. Yeah.
That's the exact truth.
Him have to build up some history for you feel comfortable
Enough.
to make you go to a certain distance. Yes. And I think me no know. Me know. Yeah. Me know. Yeah. And I know say a true me a talk. Yes. And then every time, let me tell you about some of my queen them prior to. And then every time on in the mood. Yeah? Sometimes sex coming like chores.
True.
Yeah.
That's true.
And every time you're in the mood.
That's the
Not
truth.
every time.
That's the truth.
You want to just get it over with.
with.
And you will lay down there and I say, when are you gonna be done? And you start thinking about all kind of sitting because sex is also mental. Yes.
Mentally.
Yeah. I don't know we come up with an excuse. Why first excuse? Me head hurt me. Lord, me head hurt me. I say, Jesus Christ. I was headache. When they want to get it on and you don't want to get it on. No other headache. No terrible stuff. Locks.
Or them pure, or them get that time.
Yeah, or them by the cycle.
That time of the month.
Lord, me say, it will fear it at you. It come like that, the idiot, they're going to kill you. Lord, me, and you start getting in early, because you see it coming. Oh, Lord, me, it hurt me. Oh. You understand? I saw the BF. Saw the BF. Yeah. You have them moments there. I was headache.
Them said don't forget about the back.
Oh, back. Oh, Lord Jesus, you cannot walk. In here, you cannot walk. Oh, Lord. My back a kill me. Oi. Jesus Christ. Yes, my back. Every part of you are at you.
Absolutely.
Because you're not in the mood. You're just not in the mood. Yeah. Anybody will get up and say they're always in the mood? That's not true. That's not true. No matter how you love somebody, there are days when you just not in the mood. Yes. You get it last night, and last night was the bomb and sitting. And today you're just not in the mood. Yeah.
You want it again.
You're just not ready. You're not just ready for today. Yeah, you know what I mean? So you come up with all kind of sitting. My back. Why my back? Lord, my head. Why? It kind of headache and backache where you have. It come like you're not going to make it. You ain't going to make it. Me attack, oh no. Oh no, what true me attack. Yes. That the back pain there was not even when they are picked me. That was what that because you want her. Oh, you want to feel sorry for you. Woo! You want to feel sorry for you.
Ruth said she just pretends like she's sleeping.
Yeah, pretend.
She to pretend like she has sleep.
All of that too. No pretend you're not asleep. Yes. Pretend you're asleep. And wait, and you did there, you can't wait. If you drop asleep, or if for somebody was snore, you can't wait for hear it first like a snore go off. And you say, thank you, Jesus. God, you're good. Yes. Thank you.
Or you wait till him drop asleep before you go out of the bed.
Yeah, man. Are you wait till him drop asleep?
Yes.
Or you take your time and go in the bed?
Slow.
But you know why worst part? When you take your time and I go in the bed and he say, oh,
you not sleep?
No, he say, oh, yeah, come to bed now, or sitting like that.
Or
and you're like, oh, shit. No way. Oh, shit. You get busted. Yes, you get busted.
And so you sound guilty, chocolate.
I wonder if Michael listen. You mean I room there?
Then say, don't forget to say, not tonight, honey, not tonight.
Not tonight, not tonight. But you know, when time for them, because them have all sort of excuse when the sausage turn up, them say hurtful. And sometimes you want to release them, you know what I mean? So even if you say, no, not tonight, honey, I'm like, come on, no, them persistent. I don't know about, me I talk about when me here. Them persistent. You know what I mean? Come on, baby. Just one little one, just, you
give
know.
me a quick, you know.
Just give me a little thing, no. Come the baby, man.
Let me just put it in a little bit.
Let me just put in there just a little bit. You don't have to move or do nothing, man.
Just lay there,
just
man.
lay down there, let me just,
Let me do it.
Let me
do all the work.
Somebody say you want me lay down like a dead somebody, so. Yeah, man, just lay down like you're dead. And you know, so you can't lay down like you're dead, you know, because then it starts sweet here, you know, man. Once you know what I mean? You start sweet, you know. You know what I said? You can't lay down like you're dead. Yeah, you got to start pop to wine. Yes, you got to start pop to wine. That's after all. Yes, you know what I mean?
Then say, or you just start feeling and touch you up.
Yeah, or then start touch you up and tune at all. Touch up business and you're like, quit it, no stop now. And then, you know, when you start touching a certain way, you know, Lord, the feelings start, come on. It topic start get lower and lower. Stop now. Stop, stop.
Oh,
stop, just stop.
And then the O gets longer. Stop.
We're telling them about Uno. Yes.
Stop.
Oh, stop.
Oh, then you accidentally say, oh, don't stop, baby.
And then it turns just, instead of, stop. We're telling about ourselves today. Yes. From what day we are telling about ourselves. Yeah. We are telling about someone to be here. I chew me a talk. On a no say I chew. Yes. On a no say I chew. And you have them lazy time too. I tell you about lazy time. We can't always talk about the good. We have to talk about a mixture of everything. Yeah. Because we are talking about what people afraid to talk about. Me love talk about people afraid to talk about. Yeah. You have the lazy time too, you know. One time him want you for ride, and you're not in the riding business. You just want to be on your back and make him do most side work. Can I get an amen? Because I know not out there. Hallelujah. That's too much work right now. And I already now want nothing. So why you are going to put me on sitting for ride? When me now want nothing to begin with. Yeah? Extra effort is called for. Yes. Understand? So what you say? Me not like the style there. All of a sudden you don't like the style anymore. Tonight you just don't like the style there. Yes. You used to love the style, but all of a sudden you hate the style there.
That would be me.
Yes. Me cannot stand the style there. Me just do it for please you all the time.
I want my favorite style, but
tonight you just hate the style.
Yeah.
Me not in the style tonight, baby. Me just not in the style. A long time me
try something new.
A long time me eat the style. Me like it when they just get from me. Yes, yes. Because you know you're lazy tonight. Yes.
So why be no cowboy?
Yes.
So why write nothing?
Yes.
No cowboy.
You all of a sudden you don't feel like a jacket tonight.
No. You not write nothing.
You hate the style. All of a sudden you hate it. Because you're not in no hard working tonight.
Too
yes.
Much.
Too much.
Too much
You're
energy.
Exhausted. Yes.
Too much energy for that.
Yes. I tell it about on yourself. Me I tell you now. On a no. The attitudes, yes.
You say talk up the things then.
True. True me a talk, man. You want something easy.
Yeah, easy.
Easy. Something easy, we're not going to take long. Yeah? We just want to get to that destination quickly. You understand? Yes. Easy. Something fast and easy. Yes. Yes.
You know when that one style that is like you just do the style then something come quick.
You understand? So, me come for telling about on yourself. We know on us stay.
Then say guilty as charged.
Of course. Of course.
Guilty
Yes.
as charged.
Of course. Yes. And you have some kingdom too. We get lazy too. You understand? You have me telling about yourself when I depend here. And I get lazy sometime too. That's why I don't want the ride, because I just want to lay down there. Yeah. Yeah. That's why I don't want the ride. Because I just want to lay down there and move up. If you can move up, I just lay down and make you ride.
Make you do all the work.
Yes.
Yeah.
Some are lazy too. And I have some times when I just want to pull away. And I just want to pull away the baggie. And I don't want to take it off.
Yeah.
And I just want to pull it away.
Come give me a little side piece.
And I just want to pull it to the side. Lazy. You're lazy. You're lazy. I don't need to squeeze up your sausage. You want to pull it to the side. Because you don't want to take it off. You're lazy. Yeah. They're telling about on yourself. Lazy. Yes. All of a sudden you want to pull it to the side. Why you want to pull it to the side? Huh? Take it off. You want it? Not one leg out. Take out both of the damn legs. You're lazy. Yes. Yes.
Then say bag enough for wearing a bed.
Me know. Bag enough to wear in a bed. But sometimes, me wear my baggy. Me not gonna lie. Me not gonna lie. Wear my baggy. Yeah. And every time you're going there with the intention for that happen.
No?
Yeah. Yeah. And then you wouldn't want a piece and then in lazy. Yeah.
They want you to do all the work. They want it, but they want you to do
all
all
the work. But well, me don't know about you, can speak for yourself. But anyways, him want just take the baggie and put it to the side. One foot out. No, take out both foot. Both legs. So not getting none. Lazy. Yes. Let me see what I want to say. Yeah, I'm a chicken, I can put in a bit part. Yes? My hand clean, I wash my hand. I know I didn't use no fork. Like me say, no judgment. I cook different. And some people just...
My doc said whether they wear or then they wear.
Me no wear none? Okay, you don't wear none, L'Oreal. I do sometimes. Sometimes. Not gonna lie. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I don't. Yes? Sometimes I do. Sometimes I don't. Yes? But for the one them when I wear none go, well, easy access always. That's a good thing.
A couple of them say they know we're none.
They don't wear none at all. Okay. Alright, well, when I try to tell me say for my fault, me should have wear none to begin with. Eh? And a lazy, make you want to the side. Or take 1 foot out. And that's what I try to tell me. Alright. Alright. Me see on a point. Yeah, me see on a point.
They say the older they get, the less clothes, are easy access type of thing.
Easy, you're up, you're ready. You're ready. Alright. Okay. Okay.
Then say unless it's that time of the month, that's the only time they wear it.
Oh, that's the only time they wear underwear.
Yeah.
Okay. Some women don't wear underwear none at all. And not all the time they wear it. And sometimes when you go on vacation and it's so damn hot, when you got them hot countries, me not wear it. Yeah? Yeah? Nobody can tell
My
them.
parents say that now we're none.
Yeah, they know we're none at all. Yeah, true. Because I need to breathe out, you know what I mean? And that's good. That's good. You need to hear out.
But then them
And
say,
you feel liberated when you're not going none.
but
Yeah.
let them feel say sometimes you want to make sure them still want you know. You have to make him work for you.
Of course you have to make it work for you. That's why I say I don't do it all the time. Not go. Me want him take it off. Yes. Me like the feeling of him taking it off. Yeah, me like that. Me like the process there. Yeah. Yeah, me like the process there. Yeah. To take it off. You know what I mean? Swing it around your finger. Yes. Yes, baby.
I say when they know we're none together. When
No matter we're no bingo. Can't swing no bingo around him finger. He took a box him in his face. Make sure and a little G-string. He swing around his finger. You understand? I'm gonna follow chocolate. I'm gonna wear a big bingo dress go bed. And when he take it off, him no fling around, him no swing around his finger. Then you come tell me say, him never swing around his finger. He too big. You understand? He took a box him over. You understand?
You need it for slapping him in
Yeah,
the face.
yeah, you need to slap him in the face. You understand? When we talk about swing around finger, cute little Victoria's Secret G-strings. You understand? I'm going to put on a bingo and slingshot and expect him to take you off and swing around his finger. His finger can't swing. He can't swing.
No, sir.
He can't swing. He might forget go, sir. And that not sexy. That is swing it. You understand? Swing it. Yeah. You might forget hold it like a line they might put you up on. With them the big one there.
Them say eatable. You need to do the eatable one.
Yeah. Ah, yes.
Eatable.
The edible.
Yeah.
Edible. I know.
Edible.
Yes,
Yeah.
edible. Oh, me know? Me no know. Somebody tell me. Yes. 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 Well, not ever. We're the one that will make out a real fruit. There was this place that I know. You go in there, they measure you, and they make an underwear for you out of real fruit. Grapes, strawberries, all of that. And you just, yes, and you just put it on and let him eat it off of you. Yes, yes, I understand. Yeah, but I wonder if they're going to make one with a dumpling. You know what I mean? Like fried dumpling.
Yeah.
And stuff it with like a corned beef in it. And in the morning, you slip into it. And say breakfast is ready. You know what I mean?
Breakfast is served.
We have to invent a breakfast one. Yeah? Put some fried dumpling around it. Stuff some callaloo in the fried dumpling. And say, good morning, baby. Breakfast is ready. You know what I mean? For them people will love. For them mackerel be eating.
And for around the waist, we put some plantain. So
Yeah.
together.
We're going to make it a whole meal. You understand? Whole meal. Right around you. Yeah, one dumpling in our crutches. And the dumpling in our crutches, and the one day alone, you have to stuff some corned beef in her. Yeah, and in there are the callaloo, or the ackee and saltfish, or whatever. Just the one with egg right in our front. You know what I mean? So we're going to invent few edible underwear. Yes! Yard style. Yard style. Or put bommy panny. You know what I mean? Yes.
Bommy?
Yes, we're doing a yard style. We're doing invented drawers. Yard, edible drawers. Yard style. Edible drawers, yard style. Yes. So we have to fill it on. What else we can put on with
Then you
drawers?
need the corned beef because you have the mackerel already.
Yeah, we have a mackerel already, but you still want spice. Yeah, you still want
Two different meat, you know.
two different meat.
Two
That's enough.
different meat.
Exactly, two different meat.
Yeah.
You want to give him two different meat. Oh, you're so cheap. Eh? That's why give him a sauce of dumpling with your tin mackerel and that's it. Come on, man. Come on.
But them
Yeah.
say, you have to remember, say, some man when them eat too heavy,
Yeah.
they want to sleep. So,
They're not for them heavy. As soon as them pop, them thin out. They come like something fly out of them. You understand? So they want to come find a damn excuse. Which man they know when time then do all of that? Give them 10, 15 minutes to Yes, I look upon them. And we want chat. What woman with him? We want long argument after. We want long conversation and we want cuddle. Yes. And you did that, you chat and you chat to you, all of a sudden you did that chat to yourself.
Answer.
Yes.
You stop answer.
You stop answer.
Let's say you can do one and do rum and raisin ice cream.
A rum and raisin ice cream now go well on pan because they have like a vine. They use the vine to put the fruit onto it. Yes. Like a twig. Then use the fruit and then put the fruit onto it. So we have to attach the food what we need. Pan the framework.
Dumpling hard.
Yes.
Stick, you can get it through it.
You understand?
Yeah.
I saw it work. Yeah. As soon as them and call down Jesus' name. I'm going like all the way for going. Give them half an hour. I did I look upon them like so. Yes, I can sleep or left me. I'm not tired. I don't think I'm.
After all that, you want to wake him up.
Yeah. But no, I don't like that. But come to bust it through today.
Hear some snoring. You say, asleep, you asleep?
No, they never admitted to them asleep.
No?
No, I'm asleep.
But you hear the snoring.
I
asleep?
Me just rest me eye. So how come all of a sudden your eye them tired? You don't use your eye them for? Me don't remember you using your eye. Why you have to rest your eye? Me talk to you with my eyes open. Why do you have to close? Why? And you know a lie. I'm asleep. Yeah. What happened? What come out of them make them have to drop asleep? Eh? See them come.
Them energy,
all of them energy
gone. All of them energy gone.
You understand? See them come twice as greater than me. Why them have to fall asleep? Why? Why energy just run out of them? Yeah? Why? Wanna tell me? I mean, you what them I say? Yeah, he greater than me. He greater than me. And that's why.
Then say, remember, and just remember what happened and then make him tired again.
Well, you have some of them what we call one second round.
True?
Yeah. Yeah. Me not talk with people, me not talk from experience as somebody tell me so. Then we go on second round. Yes.
Yeah, the morning piece then too. Well, then they drop asleep too.
Yes. Then we go on second round. Sleeping I come, regardless, tiredness I come, unless you not just go after. But once you lay down in my bed, you understand? Yeah. Yeah. Once I lay down in my bed. Yeah. I saw mistake guys when me cook me always a clean up too. So, no excuse me, I saw me time. Yeah. But me come and bust on the bubbles and talk about today. Round 2. Second round, yes? We have been have a discount that. Cause somebody tell me say second round. Yes, second round, go on. Chocolate look like so she have white liver and kidney. Tough crackers, me sorry for you. No man. Me liver no white. Me liver no white. Me liver kind of cream. You understand? See white liver?
No?
Yeah. Me kind of cream. Yeah, you know fully white. It cream. Yeah?
Creamy?
It cream. Cream color. it's off-white. Oh, Jesus. No. Off-white. No, chocolate just know what you want. And chocolate just love good love making. And chocolate talk what is real. And now go come here, come fake nothing. Yes? Me know what me do too. And every day me get up in a mood. Yeah, me know how me pretend. Yes. I pretend to. Yes. And me know when time, you want it. Yes. And the sweetest time when rain fall. morning, or me no schedule. It's just unpredictable.
It happens.
I mean like it. Like just
It happens when it happens.
don't schedule sex. You understand? No schedule sex. But it's great when it happen when rain fall. Cause I love hear rain. Yeah? So that kinda heighten the mood and stuff like that. Just like how you have some people, them love to drink before sex, because according to them, when you drink, it take it to a whole different level.
Yeah.
Some people smoke ganja. Me never tried that. Them say when you smoke ganja, it take it to a whole different level too. So you have people, and then you have people who just go with the natural flow of things.
Them say tough crackers are going to turn tin crackers.
Tough crackers are going to turn cream crackers. And that's what I say? Yes.
Tin crackers, yep.
But me know with alcohol, when you drink, me know when me drink, yeah,
it take it to another level.
it's out.
It does.
When me drink for me husband love, when me drink, I mean I drink often. Guys, me's not a drinker, I drink often. Like, you know, you see we all come Saturday night, me can't finish it drinks. Yeah, me not drink, occasional drinker, I call myself. Me dey on vacation, and I mostly drink champagne. Me's a champagne kind of person. I love me champagne. It's either between champagne or a shot. Hard or bubbly. Yeah? So, that's something like
one extreme to the next.
yes, one
No
extreme.
in between.
Yeah, not in between. I mean just, yes. But some people say when you're under the alcohol, it's a whole different level. My husband claims say, my husband love when me drink. Yeah? Because my mother ready. So, think of me time 3-4 times. When me normal, without alcohol, my mother ready. Yeah? So think about me 4 or 5 times in madness. Yeah, I mean that. Yes. So him love it. Some people, them say, when them smoking weed, it take them to a whole different level.
Take it to another level.
Yes, some people. Me, between natural and a little drink. I mean that. Yes, natural and a little drink. Yeah? Yeah? Without the drinks, me alright, same way. With the drinks, me alright, same way. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
alright.
Me alright, same way. Yes, 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 yes. Wanna make me a shot and me chicken them well brown. Yes, well brown.
Let's say I killed them off today.
Me a killing her off. Me not tell if you killing her off. Me just a telling you the truth. You don't know, sir. We come to tell the truth. You understand? We come to tell the truth.
Inside them on cloud 9.
Cloud 9. So who can be honest and say them depend, it's another level for them with a little drink? Or a little, nobody not judge, you know. Me not judge people. People do what they want to do. With a little spliff. You understand?
I don't know about that. Alcohol is another level.
Well, you don't know about that, but other people know about that.
Yeah, me just
Spliff. Yeah? The spliff really take it to another level. Me know about alcohol. Me want your boy spliff. Yeah? Are they afraid for say them bun? Spliff. Huh? I'm afraid.
Angel.
Yeah, me Angel, what you say? Me what? You afraid Angel? Somebody go there watch. When I know say you spliff. Me call them already. Oh, she talk to somebody. Oh, you call them already. Who you call? Who no call? We're all up in our business. We know none of our own conversation, but we are look. We are look and we want to see what we chat about.
Herman, what? Yes, what?
Yes, what, Herman? Tell me.
A little drink.
A little extra. Thank you for being honest. Yes. So we don't know more honest people in here. Huh? Or else I'll play like a just naturality and nothing else.
Drink.
Thank you, Laurel. Good.
Drink.
Awesome. Yes. Drink. Ah, so I wonder where bunny little weed.
Oh, Angel said both.
Both. See, me love honesty.
Smoke. See, Herman said smoke.
Herman said smoke. Thank you for the honesty. Now we can chat because we have honest people in the comment section. Alright. Some people why
natural beer?
I like a beer, why natural people them there?
Drink.
Nothing again. Nothing. Just the natural. Like
Or a drink or a smoke.
Drink, drink. I like a little beer. Okay, you like a little beer. All right.
Drink and
Drink and spliff. All right. Sophia Leviton all the way up.
Weed
yes.
and drink is too
Weed
much.
and
Herbs.
drink too much. Herbs. Okay, herbs. Herbs, herbs, herbs. All right. Ain't nobody judging over here. Like I said, everybody do what they want to do. Yes, they have one life to live.
Do either.
Yes, people have one life to live. Yes, you have some people that will never drink, and I don't want anybody to judge me because I drink a little. You understand me? So me can't judge somebody for what them like, you know? As long as them not hurt nobody and hurt themselves. Yes.
And say nice with both when you do both at the same time.
And the sweetest time when the sun gone in and the moon start shine and the cassette and the tape they can't. Oh, we don't use cassette no more. Well, we can't put this on. The sweetest time when the sun gone in and the moon shine. No, we don't do cassette no more. What we do now? YouTube music, yeah. And YouTube, in a go with it. Just have to cancel that.
Yeah.
In a go with it.
In a go with it.
In a go with it, yeah. In a go with it. Yes, but we are gonna make up. We Caribbean edible baggy. You understand? We are gonna make it up. We're gonna invent for it one. And put whatever you want put on it. Piece of fried plantain. You understand? Yes, we can totally put piece of fried plantain on it. One fried fish. You understand? Yes, piece of bummy. What else you want to put on it? What about piece of pudding? We can put pudding on it. Pudding and a rum cake. You know what I mean? If you want, we only do that when it comes to like Easter or Valentine's. We have to save a nice, you know, the exquisite things for them special occasion, anniversary. You understand? We're not gonna give away all like good things then. In the beginning, we're gonna start out with, first of all, if I first time, you have to go put piece of sour orange. You want to know some come back, you know. Put piece of sour orange pani etable baggy. Yeah. Cause you want to make sure it come back. So you have to test it. Yes, we're going to put piece of sour orange. Sibyl orange, them call it Jamaica. Piece of grapefruit. You know what I mean? One guinea, and one star apple. We're going to start out this one. Panty. The edible panty. That's for the newbies. And they're just a start.
Then give you one song here.
Wow. At the sweetest time when the sun gone in and the moon start shine and Siri she depend rewind. Me like that. You're full of lyrics. Me think me I gonna make you. Oh, what's your name? Sam. Me think me I gonna put you in charge to design the edible Caribbean baggy. Yes. Me think you have skill.
Them say Christmas time you need for you sorrel.
Yeah, Christmas time we're gonna use sorrel cake. For put pan a baggy.
Yeah.
Sorrel cake, yes. And a rum cake. Them time there, we give them and then baggy there are gonna be more expensive. Cause you know a special occasion, baggy them there. Yes. But what we can do for everyday kind of baggy, that's what me more focused on. Yes? Me already say fried dumpling. So we're gonna do that for the morning, edible baggy. What we're gonna do for the evening, edible baggy. Wanna come? Tell me. Piece of jerk pork. Yes?
Jerk pork.
Piece of stewed chicken.
Stewed chicken?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. But when it comes to night time, you don't want to eat them every food. You understand? So what we are gonna make? And we're not gonna give him one older one. We are gonna use piece of blue drawers for the regular edible panty. When you know blue drawers, them call it doconuto. Piece of bola. One little piece of patty, we can use a little hors d'oeuvre patty them. Yes. For regular underwear them what we are designed. The edible baggy. You understand? Yes.
Lemon flavor on the baggy.
Yeah. Yes. What else we can put on it? Me think man. Me dep on a roll in my mind.
Roast breadfruit.
One little piece of roast breadfruit. Right.
Yeah.
Yes. Right. Then they feed every day baggy. Yes. And when time, you can't give them food, that a feed daytime. You can't give them
You
in
can't
a
give them
night.
heavy food.
Food at night. Cause remember, a bed him ago.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So what we are gonna give him is like I'll put one crackers pan and butter crackers. You know what I mean? Tough crackers. Because tough crackers fat free. So we just put a little lightly butter it. Yeah? Or the cream crackers. That I feed nighttime. You know, like a snacks. You know what I mean? When I get up, I'm gonna put one pot of rice. Because I know I'm gonna love rice. No, rice can't go up on the drawers.
No.
They're telling me from now.
No.
Rice cannot go up on the drawers. Yeah. If you're not at the drawers building with me, rice can't go up on it.
Pineapple.
Fried fish and, yes, one festival. Fried fish and festival. Yes? And for the night one, bag, you know, because you don't want to put on a whole heap of weight. You know what I mean? Piece of pineapple, piece of pear. You know what I mean? Yes, stuff like that. Yeah. Piece of, you want to keep him healthy? Slap on piece of lettuce pan there. Yes. Yeah.
And so you could do some yogurt.
Yes. Yogurt can't fit on it. Them they're liquid stuff. You understand? You have to put stuff
That's tough.
We're tough. We can hold on the frame of the baggy.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. You understand? So, we are get to Caribbean edible baggy ready. So, in America alone, and we don't want to lick one them way. You know edible panty them, you know, come and eat, me not like it. What me teeth tear off one little piece and taste it. It ain't all that. We want real food. Yeah, real food we want give on top of the mackerel. What we are giving. Yes. For them to, we want real food. Yes. 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 Now work this out. You understand? Work it out. I love you guys. I love you all. I'm going to pick up some people. Love you all. We're going to enjoy with the madness. I don't know what man. Yeah? I don't know how we mothers stay. We don't have no sense over here. Yeah?
Then say don't forget the Easter bun.
Oh yes! We're going to do that for Easter with the cheese.
Yeah.
You understand? I will slap on a piece of bammy. I will put a piece of bread if you're not into it bun. Because not everybody loves the sweetness, you understand? Yeah.
Can put some cheese.
We're definitely going to put on the cheese for me. We're going to make what edible Caribbean baggy.
Coconut bun.
Coconut bun. Oh, Miss Birdie, we want some, tell Auntie so we want some of Miss Birdie product. Because Easter come up and we make an edible.
Baggy.
Edible draws.
Yeah.
Baggy. A baggy if you say draws.
Yeah.
Edible baggy. You tell Auntie we are designed with edible baggy. And we need some Miss Birdie product. To put on with edible baggy. Yes. We're coming out with one for Easter. Yes. Yes. And we're going to need a piece of Miss Lawton pudding. We want a pudding from Miss Lawton so we can make a pudding baggy. Pudding baggy for Easter. Yes.
Yes, man.
We want a pudding baggy. Yes. Yes. We want a pudding baggy. Yes. And when it's touching like Christmas, we know we got the parlour. We have Your Majesty and we have Auntie to supply with some nice cakes and Miss Lawton. Yes, we don't have no worries Christmas time. We got that pan lock. We got that pan lock. Yes. Yes.
But I need cake from Bringle.
Yes, you need cake from Bringle. No, Mr. Man, we got it pan lock when it comes to Christmas.
Yeah, we can get Miss Birdie. Them have it in South Florida.
Oh, Miss Birdie, you don't have Miss Birdie in South Florida. We definitely want some Miss Birdie for Easter. For Easter. But on joke aside, we're gonna need Miss Birdie for Easter. Right? Yeah. Anything we Auntie do, we love to support. Yes? You support people where you love and care about, right? Yes, and we're gonna support Miss Lawton this Easter. We were supposed to buy Miss Lawton cake Christmas gone to do a review, but we had so much cake and it would be a waste because when we were actually about to order Miss Lawton cake, we got a cake sent to us from family. Yeah. And we were like, oh my God, no, we can't take no more cake. Yes, we're
all caked up.
But we promised ourselves we're going to buy a cake for Easter and do a review.
Yeah.
Because we love to support
Absolutely.
our people. I love to support my people, and I love to support people that I admire. Yes. So, we got it on lock. You understand? We got it on lock.
Yep.
To create our Easter baggy. We call it baggy. I like the word baggy.
And a jaws, a baggy.
A baggy. Just sound too vulgar.
Yeah.
Baggy.
Baggy.
I like the word baggy. Yes, baggy. A little girl wear baggy, you know. But everybody have a little girl inside of them. Baggy.
Baggy.
Easter baggy. Yes. Alright. I love you guys, and there's nothing you can do about it. See you guys tomorrow. We won't be on tonight because I have my grandbaby with me overnight. I'm going to spend some time with her. And, oh, yes. So tomorrow, praise and worship, cage your credits. And don't forget, if you haven't already sent us your video clip and you're interested in being a part of our pageant, please don't forget to send it to us. All right. Yep. Remember, first prize 500, second prize 250, and third prize 100. And don't forget, it's all about personality and confidence. Yes. All right. So don't think it's all about looks alone, the outer appearance. You understand? So, love you guys. Enjoy the rest of your Saturday. All right. And we will see you guys back here tomorrow. Tomorrow. Love you guys.
Love you guys. Have a blessed night.
Let me big up some people before we leave. We always love to show respect, and thank you guys for coming over to see us. Alright? And make sure you don't play around. And hold on there. You know? Make I wash you out. Yeah? And you see tonight, don't do this. No bother with it. You understand? No bother with this tonight. No bother with this tonight. Yeah, in here, sir. You hear? You can open wide. Open wide. All right. Love you guys.
Sam. Big up, Sam. Angel. Laurel.
Angel. Erwin. Audrey. Love you. Audrey. Juliet.
Big up. Laurel. Angel.
D. Angel. D. Gooden.
Tracy Ann.
Gooden. Debbie. Tracy Ann. Elaine. Yes.
Marsha Lee.
How you doing? Andreen, big up yourself.
Audra.
Big up yourself. Sam. What's up, Sam? Big up yourself, Sam. Big up yourself. Faye, big up yourself. Jackie Gross. Big up yourself, Queen. Big up yourself. Yes. Let's see. Nationa. Big up yourself, Nationa.
Carrie Ann.
Wagwan Queen. Cheryl. Big up yourself, Cheryl Kerr. Big up yourself, Sandy Mack. Big up yourself, Sandy. Let's see. We don't want to miss anybody. Roslyn. Big up yourself, Roslyn. Big up yourself. Gail. Joan. Big up yourself, Joan.
Belinda.
Big up yourself.
Gillette.
We said Gillette already. Laverne. Big up yourself, Laverne. Ever blessed. Nikki. Yes. Wagwan Queen.
Hazel.
Big up Hazel. Sandra Robinson, big up Queen, big up yourself.
Trending drama,
you're back. You're back safely. I'm so glad you're back safely. Big up yourself, my brother. Big up yourself.
Yolanda,
big up yourself. Yolanda Lee, big up yourself. Christine White. Maxine Thomas, big up yourself, Queen. Big up. Make sure we don't miss nobody we can't afford to. Who that? Oh, we said it already.
Yeah, we said it already.
Angel. We said Angel.
Okay.
D. We said D already. Okay. All right. Cheryl Chung. Love back at you, Queen. Back at you. Yes.
There we go.
Anicia, big up yourself.
Anicia, big up.
Big up yourself, Queen Anicia. Big up, big up, big up.
Chanel.
Chanel, big up yourself. Chanel, big up yourself. Big up yourself.
Carolyn.
Don Evans.
Don.
Big up yourself. We said Andreen Williams. I hope. Pauline, big up yourself.
William.
Cheryl come.
Austin in the house.
Boston, big up Boston.
Elaine,
big up yourself, Elaine.
Andrea Brown.
Big up yourself. Big up yourself. All right, guys. Sorry if we missed anybody. We'll catch you next time.
That's right.
God bless you guys and be safe. And I love you guys. And
Love you guys.
absolutely nothing you can do about it. All right? See you guys tomorrow.
Have a blessed night.
Blessings.